Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Fusion 360, SolidWorks and Blender. Fusion 360, SolidWorks and Blender are all powerful tools, but they each bring something different to the table when it comes to 3D printing in 2025. Fusion 360 is popular because it's a cloud-based platform that combines CAD, CAM, and CAE tools all in one. It's great for designing precise mechanical parts and functional prototypes. Its parametric design features make it easy to tweak measurements, which is really helpful for 3D printing. Plus, Fusion 360 has built-in tools for preparing models for printing, making the workflow smoother for engineers and hobbyists alike. SolidWorks is a professional-grade software known for its accuracy and robust engineering features. It's widely used in industries where precision and detailed engineering are critical. SolidWorks shines if you're designing complex mechanical systems or working in professional manufacturing environments. However, it's more expensive and has a steeper learning curve than Fusion 360, which might not be ideal for casual users or hobbyists. Blender, on the other hand, is an open-source software that's very popular among artists and designers. It's fantastic for creating organic shapes, sculptures, and artistic models rather than mechanical parts. Blender gives you a lot of creative freedom and has a powerful sculpting and texturing tools, but it doesn't focus as much on engineering precision or parametric design like Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. It's also free, which makes it accessible for beginners or anyone working on creative 3D projects. In my opinion, if you're focused on mechanical or engineering designs and need precision, Fusion 360 is a great middle ground with strong tools and reasonable price. If you need even more advanced engineering features and work professionally, SolidWorks might be worth the investment. But if your projects are more artistic or creative, Blender is a better choice, thanks to its flexibility and zero cost. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.